Okay, this is your homework help and kind of explain what's going on. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. Now, if you remember last week before break, you had to look at something like this and you had to say, okay, is that a major chord or is that a minor chord? So what we did is we said, well, this is F, A, C, E, so this is one before F. That's E, G, and B. E, G, and B. So it sounds like this. And we have to say, does that sound happy or sad? And we said that sounds like a sad chord because the happy version would be, and this is a sad version, so that's a minor. We'll show you one more way to look at it. And now I'm over here. And we're going to say if it's a 4-3 a major and a 3-4 minor. So we'll explain that. Okay, so let's line up these. This is our first and our third and our fifth. Okay, and we'll say our first right now is an E. And then the second is a G. That lines up with this, E, G, B. And then the third has to be G, A, B. So this is the same representation as this. So what does this mean, 4-3 or 3-4? Well, let's start here and we'll count halftones. So we start here and we go 1, 2, 3. And then we start at this one and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started here, we counted 1, 2, 3 to the next one, and then we counted 1, 2, 3, 4. So we counted 3, 4. That is a minor. All right, here's the next one. Looks like this. I'll move these out of the way. We have F, A, C, E. We have F, A. We have a B. So I'll come over here and I'll put B. And then we have a D. And then we have an F. Okay. But look what this F is right here. What is this F? This is a sharp, an F sharp. So we come up into here. So I'm going to play on my keyboard, I'm going to play B, then I'm going to play D, and then I'm going to play F sharp. It's going to sound something like this. And you can guess, does that sound happy or sad? Major or minor? Or we can check up here. Starting right here, we count 1, 2, 3. And then we start there and we count 1, 2, 3, 4. We counted 3, 4. That's a minor chord. It does sound like a minor chord too, because here's its major chord. Okay, so that one's a minor. All right, let's look at this one. F, A, C. It's got a B flat. We don't have to worry about that. So we're going to go to F, A, C. Happy or sad? Or we can count it. We can start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we count 1, 2, 3. That's a 4-3 major chord. Happy chord. Let's take a look at this one. E, F, G, A, B with an F sharp. So we don't have to worry about anything here. We just go E, G, B. What does that sound like to you? Happy or sad? Let's go E, G, and B. Start here. We can count 1, 2, 3. Start there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We counted 3 and 4. That is a minor. Got it. All right, this one has a B flat in it. So we're going to go F, A. Ooh, there's a B. C, D, E, F. So we need B flat, D, and F. So we need an F on top in the fifth, and a D in the third, and a B on the first, but we got to go boom down Sounds like this. What does that sound like? A major or a minor? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start there. 1, 2, 3. We had a 4 and a 3. That's a major. Two more. One above middle C is D. So we have D, F, and A. You might listen to that one and figure out already. I know what that is. I'm going to go D, F, and A. I'm just going to count this one out starting here. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4, that's a minor. Last one together. This is F, A, C, so we need D. Skip E, play F. Skip G, play A. D, F, A. Okay. Also, we have a B flat. That doesn't affect us in this chord. So D, F, A. So we're going here. Let's count it just to check. Start here. We go 1, 2, 3. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. We have a minor chord. Okay, so what we're going to do after this is the next day we're going to add 2 sharps and 2 flats, and then 3 sharps and 3 flats. Then we're going to add the bass clef, and then we're going to add the whole grand staff, and that's how we're going to do this. Okay, so we'll get pretty good at making chords, pretty good at listening to chords. Then when we get all the majors and minors, we're going to start adding some sevenths. And maybe after that we'll start adding some diminished. So it should be fun. Okay, good luck, have fun. Let me know if you need help. You can email me. You can set up a Zoom meeting. You can set up a Zoom homework party, or you can just add whatever you need on Google Stream and I will find it there. All right, have a nice Tuesday, people.